This is a Samsung Galaxy S8 that won't charge. There is no sign of charging, and the current is abnormal. How to fix it? The first step is to find out the cause. Use a hairdryer to heat up the phone cover all around. Make a gap with a LCD opening pliers. Then insert a pry bar to disconnect the cover. Unbolt screws on the wireless charging module. Disconnect it. As well as ear speaker. Connect phone with the DC power directly. Power on. The phone boots up and the current is normal. So there probably be something wrong with motherboard. Unbolt screws on motherboard. Disconnect the flex cables on it. Take down motherboard. Check it carefully. Is there water corrosion or component missing? No, there isn't any. Take down rear camera. Use a scissor to cut off the shield on charging IC. Try to repair it. Fix motherboard on PCB holder. Heat up charging IC at 320 degrees. Clean and wash it. Then coat new tin. Please note the tin should not be too wet. With new tin coated. Clean off charging IC. Apply soldering flux on motherboard. Install charging IC at high temperature. Install rear camera. And motherboard. Connect all flex cables. Install rear speaker. As well as wireless charging module. Connect charging cable and power on. The screen shows a warning signal. It means that the fingerprint flex cable has not been connected. Bolt the screws and install other parts. Power on again. The phone boots up normally. Test again and it works perfectly. State of charge shows OK. The repair has finished. Check other functions. Set to highest brightness. Type testing code *0*#. Check colors. Red. Green. And blue. Then test touch function. The screen appears purple in color. Change the screen with a new one. Set to highest brightness. Type testing code *0*#. Check colors again. And touch function. This time no purple appears. So the problem is the screen other than the motherboard.